Pi Network Price Prediction 2025. If the Pi Open Mainnet launches in 2024, the project might start to see price stability by 2025. The capped supply and a planned mechanism for releasing coins could make the Pi coin appealing to developers and vendors interested in a dynamic ecosystem. This could lead to increased utility for the coin and might reduce the selling pressure caused by the mining of Pi, possibly increasing its demand. Additionally, 10% of Pi coins are earmarked for ecosystem development, which could further stimulate growth. The coin's distinctive approach as a decentralized and distributed cryptocurrency might attract speculative investors, boosting its demand. Moreover, many experts predict a Bitcoin bull run in 2025, which could lift the prices of leading alternative coins, possibly including Pi coin, given its large community base. The price of Pi Network is expected to reach a minimum level of $79 in 2025. The Pi price can reach a maximum level of $94.08 with the average price of $88.74 throughout 2025. Pi Network Price Prediction 2026. In 2026, Pi Network's price is anticipated to hit a minimum of $108.45. The maximum price is forecasted to be $132.33, with an average standing strong at $128.19. Pi Network Price Prediction 2027. For the year 2027, Pi Network is expected to maintain a minimum price of $141.71. The price may soar to a maximum of $168.94, with the average likely hovering around $158.52. Pi Network Price Prediction 2028. The forecast for 2028 shows a stabilization in Pi Network's price, maintaining the minimum at $161 and maximum at $177, identical to 2027, with an average price also consistent at $165. Pi Network Price Prediction 2029. Moving towards 2029, the price of Pi Network is projected to start at a minimum of $174.56. It could peak at $202.04, with the year's average price predicted to be $191.31. Pi Network Price Prediction 2030. The year 2030 is expected to see Pi Network prices ranging from a minimum of $248.66 to a maximum of $275.69, with an average price of $267. Pi Network Price Prediction 2031. In 2031, the price of Pi Network is projected to reach a minimum of $359.17. The potential maximum price is $385.37, averaging at $379.97 throughout the year. Pi Network Price Prediction 2032. The forecast for 2032 suggests that Pi Network will see a minimum price of $506.77 and may reach a maximum price of $530.10, with an average price of $528.91. Pi Network Price Prediction 2033. By 2033, Pi Network is predicted to attain a minimum price of $691.13. The maximum price can escalate to $715.85, with the average price throughout the year expected to be $708.18. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.